welcome to my channel. This is me, Sukanya. So as you already know that today I'll be talking about this amazing app called Smitten and how I got 8 products in at rupees 199 only. Can you believe it? So I won't talk much. I will show you the products and you won't believe what I've got at just 199. So let's get started. Okay, this is the box I have received from Smitten, and yeah, it's a very cute small box. I've already opened it, and there are all the products. Can you see? Okay, so yeah, the first product. So basically, I was just surfing through Instagram, and I found this ad called Smitten, and that it was saying that you get 6 products free for 199 rupees and everything. So I thought that let's give it a check. So I went to the app, and I couldn't believe myself that I was getting products like Mamaearth, Plum, and so many more, and really good. I think it's one of the best apps for skincare and at a budget like this. So yeah, let's see what all I got for 199 rupees, and there are more to it. So I will say it at the end. Surprise! The first product is from Mamaearth. It's the oil-free face moisturizer. Yeah, it's a very small packaging. These are basically sample products which they give, like in sample sizes. This is 25 gram. But yeah, I mean, it's very cute. I've used it. So getting a Mamaearth product at 199 is, I think, worth it. And it's just not one product, so many products of it. So yeah, this is it. And this says that it's non-greasy, prevents pimples, effective hydration. Yeah, so I have a acne-prone skin, so that's why I tend to use such products which are for pimples and hydration and non-greasy products. So yeah, I think all of you know Mamaearth, and it's one of the best products for skincare. So it's paraben and silicone free, light and non-greasy, and non-comedogenic. So yeah, it's very good. So let's get into the second product, which is Mamaearth. Another product from Mamaearth, which is Upton face mask. This is paraben this is for skin brightening. It is for anti-aging, lightens and brightens skins, made with natural ingredients. Another product I love. I think I was short of a face pack, and I really wanted to try this before trying the the real product. I mean, like, I think sample size products has a benefit that you can try it, test your skin if your skin suits it or not, if it's suiting your skin or not, and then go for the large product. So yeah, this is also 25 gram. And the third product is from Plum. It didn't came in an outer packaging box, but it's okay. I think it's the green tea renewed. It's a green tea renewed clarity night gel. It is combi oil it is for combination oily acne prone skin. I think it's the same of the Plum, the green tea night gel. It's same based. As you can see, the cap size is very small, so the benefit of which is that there will be less wastage. So when we are using the big products, so there is a lot of wastage, because when we use it, a lot of times more amount comes out, and it generally goes for waste. So I think there is a less chance of wastage, so which is very good. That was my third product. Let's go on to the fourth product, which is again from Plum. So personally, I love Plum and Mamaearth products, so that's why I made sure that I buy those products in my buy those products. This is the green tea pore cleansing face wash from Plum. So yeah, this is, I have used this, and it is amazing. I mean, it is so refreshing and acne. I think it is really amazing. It is for, again, combination oily and acne prone skin. Now this is 25 gram again. So these all products are of 25 grams. So if you really like one and want to really purchase one, then you can go for the real purchase for the bigger product, which I'll do for sure. The fifth product I have chosen was activated charcoal and tea tree mud mask. It's a 3-in-1 mud mask, 30 gram, and look how cute it's like, look. Yeah, so yeah, activated charcoal and tea mask. This is from Sage Apothecary. Sage Apothecary. I am a person who has used activated charcoal face packs and peel offs, and I think it works great for my skin. So if you are new to such product and you're very skeptical about using it or not, So you can definitely try these small packages, and it's no harm, and then see if it's suiting your skin and not spending a lot of amount on a big product. So yeah, my last product which I had chosen was this Indus Valley hair color. So it's not so I was wanting to color my hair, so I just bought this. And it's a hair color in the shade dark brown 3.00. So the this is a one touch pack. So normally hair colors come in one touch, usually like you can use it for once only. So I don't have any problem with that. And it contains organic herbs like aloe vera for shiny and moisturizer, certified organic amla for nourishment, jojoba oil for elasticity and softness, sunflower oil for UV protection, orange peel oil for hair growth, honey for hair conditioner, and certified organic basil for controlling dandruff, and wheat germ for anti-inflammatory. So yeah, I have not used this product yet, but I will definitely would like to give it a try. So this was the 6 products which I had chosen for my cart, but with it was my first time for the purchase, so they gave 2 more products free. I mean, how amazing it is. So this is from Sear Secrets restorative scalp oil, which is neem, onion, and curry leaf. Have a look. So this is again a 30 ml bottle. So yeah, it is also from Sage Apothecary, and yeah, I think neem, onion, and curry leaves are great for your hair growth. I think for the dandruff and for hair fall. So yeah, I think it will work for me. And this one is another product I got. This is a Vedic shampoo with biotin and onion oil. This is from Aranya. So yeah, I don't know much about this brand or product. So, but anyway, it's 25 grams. So let's see. So purchasing for the first time, which happened with me, was that I got 6 free trial points. So when I got 6 free trial points, there was this thing that I can buy like these came for 1 point each. These all the 6 products I purchased, these were all for one trial point each. So I got 6. So I used 6 of them for these, and then so my card amount was 199, which said that you will get a cashback of 169 in your wallet amount, or you will get 6 more free trial points, which you can use for the next time. So I have taken the second option, which because I like sample products, so you can use according to what suits your skin and then buy the original product. So yeah, but it has also like 169 cashback, so it has a lot of other options you can buy from. So if you like anything which is amounting to 250, you purchase and you will get a 169. You can use that 169 cashback for that. So you have to pay half the amount of that. So yeah, so this was it. I think I made this video because I thought it might be useful for you guys, and yeah, I love it because I love Mamaearth and Plum products, but having the sensitive and acne-prone skin, I didn't know which one to use and which one I shouldn't. So I gave it a try, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Do comment down if you are giving it a try and what was your opinion regarding this. And if you want me to make more such videos, do comment down below and what video content you want more. So I'll be posting that. And yeah, that's it for today. Okay, bye. Take care. See you soon. Also, sample size products has a benefit that before trying the real product, you don't know whether it will suit you or not. And normally, Mamaearth and Plum products are really expensive. I think it retails for around 300, 400 in that range. So you can know and you buy it, you spend 300, 400 rupees, and then you see that it's not suiting your skin. You're getting allergies. So what's the worth, right? I think that's why this sample size products will come to use for you guys. Also, if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bells button to get notified for all more such videos. Stay tuned.